Hey guys, this is another KOREANMALL unboxing. So I ordered 3 albums and BTS's summer package in this order. So they still have their free shipping event going on. So I would definitely recommend taking advantage of that and ordering. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so there's lots of bubble wrap in this, as you can see. So over here we have some beauty samples they decided to include. And here is the package of stuff that has been so nicely packaged. So I have to say that their shipping skills, their packaging has definitely improved in the past couple of months, and I'm really happy.
You have your backpack.
Okay, there's so much packaging. Like, okay, here we go. So, you can see the BTS summer package here. And, okay, I see some posters. I honestly don't remember which ones came with posters, but, okay, so this is Woohyun's album that I ordered, and the poster it came with. Okay, so this is the poster that came in. So this is the Pristin, their second mini album, is it? Yeah, second mini album poster. And then I have the JJ Project First 2 and BTS Summer Package. So let's start with Woohyun's album. So I've been an Infinite fan for a super long time, and I thought it was about time that I ordered this because I always had it in my cart, but then I never actually bought it. So it is about time. What hurts me though is like the packaging of the album, because you have to like tear it apart apparently to get the actual album out. So man, I really don't like this. Okay, so here's the corner you're apparently supposed to rip it from. And okay, so okay. That was nope. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. I'm not good at this stuff. Okay, so I finally got it figured out. So here is what it looks like. And how do I open this? Is this like the sleeve, I think? Okay, so so here is the photo book, I believe, and I got, what is this? Is it like attached to, okay, here we go. I got this photo card. He looks so good in here. And then this is the CD, and this is more photos. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna open up the JJ project. So I got Jinyoung's, and if we flip a bit more in here, get here, and okay, so this one is JB, and then this one I have no okay, so I got Jinyoung's, and then I'm gonna guess that this one is JB because it looks like it. So yeah, and these photos are so beautiful. It's so aesthetic, like the way they're dressed, and oh my gosh, I love. Okay, so next let's open Pristin. Okay, so gonna try to open this without damaging my album. So I love playlists, like all of their artists, so much. And I'm really glad that Newest is getting a lot of more recognition and the recognition they deserve recently. So I really hope I get Xiyeon's photo card because she's my bias. But yeah. Okay, so okay, here we go. Okay, so here it comes with some stickers, and I got Kyla and Ungu. So I actually really love Kyla, and she's so cute too. So photo book. Where's yes? She is so cute. I love Xiyeon so much. So that's that, and then finally, my alt group and their summer package. I wonder whose Selka book I got. Ow, ow, ow. Ah! Okay, so, I'm gonna open this. Okay. So, I got Jimin. I got Jimin's, and I don't know how to take this off without, like, damaging it. Okay, hold up. I got this. Ugh. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is not okay. Like, this is... How is it glued onto here? So, take this off. The gentlest way possible. Oh my gosh, no. Why you stop? Okay. Well, I'll figure that out after. Comes with the fan manual and the really cute stickers, the making DVD, and then we have the fan. Yes. And then the very thick photo book. My bias right here. He looks so good. Namjoon always looks so nice. Oh my gosh. I love these pictures. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.